Today, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps you can take to keep your furnace running smoothly all season long. Let's dive in. First, check and replace your furnace filter. A clogged or dirty filter makes your furnace work harder. It reduces air quality and can even shorten the life of a unit. Most experts recommend replacing the filter every 1 to 3 months. If it's looking dusty or gray, swap it out. It's a quick fix that can really boost efficiency. Next, make sure your vents and registers are clear. Blocked or closed vents mean your furnace has to work harder to push warm air throughout the home, and that can drive up your energy bill. Walk around your home and check that all vents are clear of furniture, rugs, or other obstructions. Free airflow means your furnace won't be straining itself. Another important step is regular maintenance on your furnace. Make sure to reach out to a professional HVAC contractor to get that maintenance performed. Also, don't forget to check your thermostat. Make sure it's set to the right temperature and working correctly. Consider a programmable thermostat if you don't already have one. It can help you save energy by automatically lowering the heat when you're not home. Remember, a little bit of maintenance goes a long way in keeping your furnace running smoothly, saving you money and keeping you warm all winter. If you notice any unusual noises, smells, or if your furnace just isn't heating right, don't hesitate to call a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay warm this winter.